What's Consistent About Matter is a physical science unit incorporating ideas about properties of matter, mixtures and solutions, and physical and chemical reactions. Let's look into the unit at a glance. This unit covers several fifth-grade physical science standards addressing how matter is made up of particles too small to see. Different types of matter have unique properties. Matter can change, sometimes creating a new substance, and when matter undergoes change, the weight of matter is conserved. Each of the next generation science standards correspond to a Missouri Learning Standard, listed in parentheses on this chart. There is one standard that is a Missouri Learning Standard only. Take a moment to pause the video and review them. In this unit, students try to figure out the different ways matter undergoes change. The anchoring phenomenon used to connect students to the science content is the idea that raw ingredients can be combined to make cake batter, and when heated, make a cake. Students will discuss this phenomenon after they have learned about what matter is, the properties of matter, and how matter can undergo change. The design challenge for this unit is a culminating activity in Lesson 9. Students are tasked with describing their favorite meal. They will identify the state of matter of the ingredients while making the meal, if any mixtures or solutions are formed, and physical and chemical changes that occur while making the meal. Now that we have an idea about what students will study in this unit, take a look at the unit flowchart. This unit is divided into 3 sections, and there are 9 lessons total. In Section 1, students discover what matter is and how to describe matter. This section will take about 6 instructional days. Here is the content level big idea for Section 1 and how students will figure it out. Students use videos, readings, discussions, and simulations to figure out that matter can be observed in different states and matter is made of particles too small to be seen. Students will also use a card sort, read aloud, and hands-on activities to describe the properties of different objects, including color, solubility, magnetism, conductivity, volume, mass, and hardness. In Section 2, students investigate how the properties of matter can be used to separate mixtures. This section will take about 6 instructional days. In Section 2, students separate the components of different types of mixtures, including solutions, to discover different methods of separating mixtures based on the properties of the matter that make up the mixture. Section 3 asks students to consider how matter can change. This section will take about 12 days. In Section 3, students will make changes to matter and determine if a physical or chemical change occurred. They will discover that when a chemical change occurs, a new substance is formed. Students will use evidence from their investigations to support a claim on whether or not a new substance is formed. Students will also observe that when matter undergoes change, the mass of the system does not change. This is an introduction to the law of conservation of mass. By the end of this unit, students have explained how matter is made of particles too small to be seen, experienced how the properties of matter can be used to separate mixtures, and that when matter undergoes change, a new substance can be formed. They apply these ideas to describe matter and the changes in matter that occur when cooking a meal. For more information, visit our website, myscipartners.com. mySci, inspiring the next generation of scientists.